Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the best keyboard duster spray available in the market. If you're someone who spends hours on your computer, gaming setup, or even just your everyday electronics, keeping them clean is crucial. Enter the Keyboard Cleaner Compressed Air Duster by Cielurfa. This innovative device isn't just your average air duster. It's a portable, rechargeable powerhouse designed to tackle dust and debris with ease. Unlike traditional canned air, this duster doubles as a handheld vacuum, making it versatile for cleaning electronics, car interiors, and more. With its high-pressure air blaster function, it effectively removes dust and crumbs from keyboards, reaching even the most inaccessible corners. Designed specifically for electronics, it ensures safe cleaning without damaging sensitive components like keyboards, cameras, and laptops. Forget about buying canned air repeatedly. This device comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, saving you money and reducing environmental waste. Now, you might be wondering why you should choose this over traditional air dusters. Here are a few reasons. By opting for a rechargeable device, you're reducing the use of disposable cans, contributing positively to the environment. While the initial investment might be slightly higher, the long-term savings on not purchasing cans repeatedly add up. Its dual functionality as both an air blaster and vacuum means you're getting two tools in one, perfect for various cleaning needs. Users have praised its effectiveness in maintaining cleanliness without the hassle of cords or the cost of disposable cans. The ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, even for prolonged use. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best keyboard duster spray that combines power, versatility, and eco-friendliness, the Keyboard Cleaner Compressed Air Duster by Cielurfa is a top contender. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or a casual user, this tool will ensure your electronics stay dust-free and in top shape. In conclusion, the Keyboard Cleaner Compressed Air Duster by Cielurfa is a standout product in its category. With its dual functionality as an air blower and vacuum, it's versatile, efficient, and eco-friendly. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning routine, this is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in getting your hands on one of these for yourself, I've included a link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.